In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do list in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever felt like tasks and emails are competing for your attention, this will help you bring everything into one neat place so you can focus on what matters, when it matters. First, open the To-Do pane. Look to the left-hand navigation bar in Outlook and click the To-Do icon, the one with the blue checkmark. This opens your Task Hub right inside Outlook, so you don't have to switch apps or lose track of what you were working on. Let's add your first task. At the top, select Add a Task, type a clear, action-focused title, and press Enter. You can also click the Add a Task button inside any list you're viewing. Keep task names short but specific. Think draft budget proposal instead of work stuff. Pressing Enter saves it instantly, so you can quickly capture ideas as they come to you. To keep everything organized, create lists. Click New List and give it a name that reflects a category, like work or personal. Lists create natural boundaries, helping you separate priorities and avoid mixing errands with deadlines. You can switch between lists easily, and each list can hold its own set of tasks. Now, add details to make tasks actionable. Click a task to open its Details pane. Here, you can set a reminder to nudge you at the right time, choose a due date to anchor the work on your calendar, and mark the task as important using the star icon for quick visual priority. If a task has multiple parts, add subtasks. Breaking large work into smaller steps makes it less overwhelming and gives you clear checkpoints along the way. Use concise phrasing for subtasks so you can scan them at a glance. One of the most powerful time savers is turning emails into tasks. Simply drag an email from your inbox and drop it into the To-Do pane. Outlook converts it into a task with the email subject, so you don't lose the context. From there, you can open the task, add a reminder or due date, star it for importance, and even add subtasks to plan your follow-up. This is perfect for messages that require action but don't belong lingering in your inbox. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.